Car seat parts. Identifying parts on different seats. This video shows common car seat parts found on different car seats. Variations may occur from car seat to car seat. Always refer to a car seat's user manual for detailed instructions. Car seats with a 5-point harness have labels on the seat for quick reference. Plastic shell or frame. Five-point harness. Fabric cover and padding. Chest clip or retainer clip. Crotch buckle. Universal anchorage system. Belt paths. Storage location for the manual. Rear-facing only seats may also have carrying handle. Adjustable shade canopy. Separate base. Recline adjustment. Recline indicator. Load leg. Anti-rebound bar. Rear-facing convertible seats may also have anti-rebound bar. Removable or movable pieces. Recline adjustment. Recline indicator. Rear-facing tether. Cup holders. Forward-facing seats must have tether strap and hook. Forward-facing seats may also have recline adjustment. Recline indicator. Cup holders. Booster seats have plastic shell or frame. Fabric cover and padding. Belt routing guide for the seat belt. Storage location for the manual. Booster seats may also have detachable seat back. Universal anchorage system. Handle or button to adjust the headrest. Cup holders.